Hello. Have your energy costs skyrocketed lately? Do you need to reduce the energy consumption to heat and cool your building? With this video, we are going to try to propose a system that our engineers have designed to help you reach that goal. Make yourself comfortable. To begin, we explain how a building behaves in the different seasons. Well, let's just select a building. This one. And we will place it here. We see that during the summer months, solar radiation is absorbed on the walls and roof of the building, increasing the temperature of these surfaces daily, transmitting heat into the building as if it were a radiator. Of course, this will depend on the level of insulation of each building. In the end, indoor temperatures can increase significantly. During the winter months, the energy losses through the roof and walls make the internal temperature drop. This can be easily understood much faster with, say, our own car. What happens when we leave the car in the sun? As we can observe, one can hardly stay in the car even with the airflow full on. If we leave the same car in the shade with a small airflow, we have enough to maintain the interior comfortable. If we use the same car at night with only a soft breeze outside, we have enough, and sometimes it can even get too cold. The traditional systems used so far are trying to combat the cold and heat of adverse external conditions by burning some kind of fuel, whether renewable or not. This is our system's operating principle. We take advantage of the existing energy on the exterior of the building and accumulate or dissipate it as needed. On the one hand, we reduce the energy demand of the building by eliminating transmission losses, and on the other hand, we recuperate that energy for its use when conditions are reversed, such as summer, winter, day, or night. Let us explain. Give me that a moment. First of all, we calculate the heating and cooling needs of the building. Then we calculate the accumulation needs, which could be in additional deposits in the foundation of the building, or in a horizontal circuit buried at a low depth. And with these results, we can produce a pre-assembled system. As we said, in the summer, solar radiation begins to warm the roof of the building and our system starts working. Through a specific fluid, we transfer this energy into the ground or to the internal accumulation tanks. Reaching the tank's maximum capacity, the system moves the energy into the ground or the additional deposits. This is to isolate and accumulate. But what do we use to cool the building? Very simple. We use the previously accumulated cold when external conditions were reversed, or else we use the heat pump that exists within our system. This heat pump is a water-air-water system, specially designed for our LESS system, which can be used as an energy source with the circuit in the ground or the outside air. The use of the air or water will depend on which of the two will provide the best operating conditions for the highest yield. For hot water, we will use the power source available and, of course, the most efficient. In winter, the operation is identical yet reversed, with one exception. The contribution of the solar radiation can be directly used to heat the building or the water. For very warm climates or places where power is limited, the LESS system is configured to work along with photovoltaic solar panels. It can be placed directly on its roof. These solar panels produce electricity from sunlight. The LESS system detects the electricity production and turns on the heat pump for the air conditioning of the building or for accumulation and its subsequent use. Conclusion: this system is not only valid for the use of the exterior envelope of the building, but can also be installed along with solar and solar thermal panels. However, in this case, not only do we take advantage of the solar radiation, but also the cold that we have accumulated when external temperatures were low. LESS system can also work with other available resources, such as boilers, industrial processes, mini cogeneration, etc. If you want to reduce your cost in the heating and cooling of your building, you can trust Luxan energy saving systems.